Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jess. Welcome back. I hope that you all are doing well and staying safe. I have something in my eyelash. What a great start to the video. What a great start. Anyway, I hope that you guys are doing well and welcome back for a current favorites. I feel like I haven't built one of these in so long and there's so many things that I've been loving. Actually, it's not that much, but these are things that really I have been using every single day. I've been loving them. They've really held your girl down through the last couple months of quarantina, which is amazing. I can't believe we're still in a freaking panorama, but whatever. It's fine, like wear your mask, stay home, but it's fine, whatever. But yeah, guys, for today's video, I have my current favorites, things that I've been loving. Like I said, getting me through quarantina. And if this interests you, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. I post new videos here twice a week on my channel. I post beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, budgeting, all types of content here on my channel. I'm sure that you will find something that you guys like for sure. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So let's hop right into this video, shall we? Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with some beauty products because there are a few things, even though I haven't really been wearing makeup. Honestly, you guys, I've literally just been wearing my brows. Ooh, that's something I wanted to mention. Let me just talk about this. Guys, current favorites make me so excited because I love sharing my favorites with you guys. But first up, I've literally been using this product every day, you guys. Like, every time that I wear makeup, I can't not use this. Like, it has changed my brow game when I tell you. So this is the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. I have mine in the shade black. I will warn you guys, this is not black. This is a nice dark brown. Like you guys can see, I did dye my hair black. So, well, my hair has been dyed black, but I dyed it like recently. So it's like super black. So I want my eyebrows to be a little bit darker than like a dark brown. But this pen is like a little brow flick, if you guys can see. It really defines your brows. So I use this pen in the front of my brows to create little brow strokes in the front so that it looks like I have hair growing there when I really don't. But when I tell you guys that this has changed my brow game, this is so skinny and so pointy that I can just create little hair-like strokes right in the front of my brow, just little flicks, just a few little flicks in the front of my brow, and it looks so natural, so beautiful, and it just makes your brow game like top notch, 10 times better. There's no boxy brows here, ladies. Like, it just makes your eyebrows so good, and it is so inexpensive, and NYX knows what they're doing. I want to pick up the NYX brow glue next because something with my eyebrow hairs is that they love to go bloop throughout the day, which I hate. So I've heard that that is really good for that. But this, guys, this takes the cake of like my favorite current product right now. So I use that every single day, as well as I really haven't been wearing lashes lately, you guys. It just hasn't been my vibe, but I'm wearing them today, and I'm like, why did I start wearing these? Like, I don't understand. So now I'm definitely going to get back into it. But when I wasn't wearing lashes, I was using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. If you guys are on TikTok, you definitely know this product for sure because it was like TikTok, like, royalty for a really long time. This girl posted a TikTok of her lashes and like before and after, and it was crazy. I will say that this really lengthens your lashes. I don't see as much volume with it, but I personally love Maybelline mascaras. They are some of my favorites. I just find that they are the most flattering on my lashes. Every single formula that I have tried, I have not been disappointed with. I am a ride or die like Maybelline the Falsies mascara girl. Like, I feel like I was one of like the first ones to try it out, and like I was like obsessed with it for the longest time. But like I said, I haven't really been wearing lashes like to work and everything just because like there's really no point. I was wearing them every day for no reason, honestly. It did really like make my lashes, especially because I'm wearing the mask and everything throughout the day, just like look a little prettier. But I was wearing mascara and I was just perfectly as happy as wearing lashes. So, but this really lengthened my lashes and made them look super lengthened. And I loved it, and it's so inexpensive from the drugstore. Like, you really can't beat it. It was something that I wear like every single day when I tell you guys. else that I really like. I don't wear this every day, but when I do wear makeup, this is the NYX Hydra Touch primer base. It just looks like this. I love the color. I love this aqua color. It's just one of my favorites. This is super good under foundation. I've been wearing this a lot in like my makeup tutorials and everything that I post on Instagram. It's just a really, really nice primer. It's not super hydrating where like you feel oily after putting it on. You don't feel like that at all. It's just really, really nice, moisturizing. It fills in my pores, I feel. Like, not crazy or anything like that, but it just leaves my skin having a really nice base to it for any kind of foundation that I put on top of it. I've used this with stick foundation, powder foundation, and like liquid foundation, and each time it has worked amazingly. I can't say enough good things about it. It's just really nice primer. Easy to put on, nothing too crazy. I love it. Last up for like beauty kind of things, I have this nail bond glue. I used to wear press-on nails every time that I did my nails, like in my budgeting videos and everything. I did go ahead and get my nails done just because I was tired of them popping off on me like after like a week and a half or so. I did really love being able to change the colors every single week and just popping them off myself. But this nail glue made it so hard to pop them off though. I will be honest with you. This is like super strong. It like really like shellacks your nails to your nail. It is so good. I picked mine up from Amazon. I heard a lot of people like in like the press on nail community here on YouTube talking about it, and it is just so good. Your nails aren't going anywhere with this stuff, you guys. I know that press on nails have become really popular since quarantine and everything like that, because like we can't go out and get our nails done, although I did because I was just tired of them popping off. I have to type all day and like they would pop off on me and I would just get so annoyed, so I just went ahead and got my nails done. But that glue, when I was using my press on nails, it was amazing. I loved it so much. Now we are going to go ahead into some hair products. I'm like out of breath, guys, because this is my second video I'm filming. I've been talking a lot today. But we're going to get into some hair products. The first thing I have here is this like little doobie. It's like a lunch lady hairnet. But I love putting this on before I put on my satin bonnet because I feel like this just really protects my hair and keeps it where I want it. I find that sometimes even when I wear like a satin scarf under my bonnet, it makes it really hot. So although like it really is good for your hair and everything, it just makes me way too hot and I can't wear both. I can't wear a silk scarf and a satin bonnet. Like, it's just too much at night. I just get too hot. My head gets too hot. So what I do is I wrap my hair up in this and I just like turn it a few times just so that my hair is like locked in, and then I put my satin bonnet from Humble Glow Official with my girl Thais here on YouTube. That's her brand. I put that on top of this and my hair is not going anywhere throughout the night. It's just really nice. I found that my hair doesn't move throughout the night. I wore it last night and it doesn't like leave any dents in my hair or anything like that, and it's just really good, and it's breathable, which I like, because like I said, I get hot during the night and it just wasn't a good time, and I wanted to find something that I could put on to still protect my hair and make sure that it stayed in place. But this was like perfect. I picked this up from the beauty supply store. I'm sure you can find it on Amazon, but I love this so much. I also just wanted to mention my Got To Be Glue spray, as well as my Got To Be Glue, what is it called? Gel, I guess it's called. I have been wearing wigs more recently. Not as much anymore because I just got my hair done, but this was a lifesaver when I was doing like the wig cap method and everything like that. You use this to spray down the wig cap so that it doesn't go anywhere, and it was just such a vibe, you guys. I love this so much. It's really good. It doesn't, like, I feel like it doesn't leave my hair sticky, which I like, because I thought that it was definitely going to leave my hair sticky, but it didn't, which was awesome, because sometimes you don't want to, like, have to put on your wig every day, and then when you take it off, your hair be, like, super goopy, and I found that with this, it's not, as well as the Got To Be Glue gel, that's actually, like, in my bathroom. I don't feel like going to get it, but I love that for laying down my wigs, baby hairs, because, like, that stuff does not go anywhere. Once it's on your scalp, it is on your scalp, sister. So, from Amazon, as you guys can see, it just has lace right here in the middle. And I love it because you can, like, move the lace to wherever your part. So even if you don't have a middle part, like you can shift this like to the side if you have a side part. So it just makes it so easy to pop on and pop off your wig. That's personally how I like to wear my wigs. I like to be able to take it off at the end of the night and be able to work out and just, you know, do what I gotta do to my own hair. I don't like wearing wigs like days on days at a time. So this just makes it so that my edges are protected and my wig doesn't go anywhere. So my hair is protected, but the wig is still laid and slayed. You know what I mean? I'll have this link down below for you guys. I, like I said, picked it up from Amazon. Lastly, for hair stuff, I wanted to mention my new blow dryer, which if you guys have not seen my blow dry routine here on YouTube, I will have that linked for you guys. I love this blow dryer, you guys. Like I said in that video, it has cut my blow dry routine down like dramatically. It's so easy to use. You just comb it right through your hair. It gets your hair so straight, so smooth. I don't know what I did before I had this blow dryer, honestly. It's just so user friendly, and I feel like it's great for textured hair because it doesn't snag on the hair like I feel like other blow dryers do with like the really like small combs, like just like a regular blow dryer comb. I feel like this really is made for like textured hair, especially because it just glides through the hair, gets the hair super straight at the root. You're not worried about it like getting too hot at the root or popping, or this part popping off of your blow dryer, which has happened to me so often with like regular blow dryers. So this has been one of the best purchases for my hair journey. If you guys have not checked out my blow dry routine video, I will have it linked up in the card so you guys can check that out. One more thing I have to talk about is just my Apple Watch. I went ahead and picked one up from Amazon. This is the Series 3. I believe they're on the Series 6 now, but I didn't feel like I needed like the newest and greatest Apple Watch by any means. I just really wanted it to work out and track my workouts and everything because like I have been cycling more, if you guys didn't know. That is also a favorite. Let me talk about my cycle bike after I talk about this Apple Watch, okay? But this is just the regular Series 3 Apple Watch. It's really nothing crazy. It just is really nice to track my cycling because it tracks my calories for me, tracks the time of the workout, and I can close my rings throughout the day. Also helps me stand throughout the day, hit my move goal calories. It just has helped me become like more conscious of like how much I'm sitting throughout the day, because it tells me to stand, tells me to breathe, all that good stuff. So I personally love it. I got mine off of Amazon, 2-day shipping, wasn't crazy at all, and it has really helped me in my fitness journey so much. But what has also helped me in my fitness journey is my exercise bike. I picked this up on Amazon. I will have a picture for you guys right here of what I'm talking about. It is just so good, you guys. Like, I've used it pretty much every day since I've gotten it, and it's downstairs, so like I have no excuse not to ride it. Like, I have no excuse. Like, I don't have to leave my house, don't have to get dressed up. All I have to do is pop my butt on that saddle and just ride. Even if I do it for 20 minutes a day, it's better than no minutes a day, you know what I mean? So it has just helped me become more excited to exercise and excited to work out, because that is not my thing at all, you guys. I don't enjoy working out. Like, it was never really like something that I really wanted to apply myself for at all. But getting on my bike, doing a Peloton workout, I downloaded the Peloton app, so you can take classes on the Peloton app. You don't have to have a Peloton bike to take classes on the Peloton app. So I just sometimes pop on a Peloton workout, or this girl Christina Gold here on YouTube. My sister recommended her to me, and she has awesome cycling classes. They really kick your butt, man. I think the most I have burned is like 350 calories in one of her classes. They are hard work, you guys, but I love it so much. My exercise bike has changed my life for the better. I cannot picture myself not cycling every day, like Monday through Friday. It's just something that brings me so much joy, and it's like my me time. That will do it for this current favorites. I hope that you guys enjoy. Let me know your current favorites down below. I would love to see what you guys have been loving recently. And yeah, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I post new content here twice a week on my channel, like I said before. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all are doing well. And yeah, I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.